A unanimous decision from the Ohio Supreme Court today could bring major changes for renters across the state. The court ruled that companies that resell electricity to apartment tenants, known as submetering companies, must now be treated like public utilities. Supporters say that means more protections and potentially lower bills for renters. 10 TV's Libby Cathy spoke to some tonight about the decision and is outside the Supreme Court. Libby?
That's right, Yolanda. Here's that decision. Consumer advocates tell me this is long overdue, and renters tell me they're hoping this means they could see lower bills here in the future.
The energy bill was crazy. It's really frustrating.
For years now, some Ohio renters haven't paid their electric company directly, instead going through a middleman.
I just feel like you have to pay for it because you don't have another choice.
It's called submetering. Your apartment picks the provider, and a third party sends you the bill. It impacts an unknown number of tenants, like Emily Walker, who say they have no control and little explanation for price swings.
My bill is $362.83, and then the next month it was $195. And I'm not taking like 3 baths a day, you know. There was no extra energy use.
Today, in a unanimous decision, the Ohio Supreme Court ruling if these companies act like utilities, they must be regulated like them.
This was a huge win for consumers. That means protections for consumers, protections from shutoffs, price regulation, financial assistance, protections from disconnection, and most importantly, the ability to choose your own supplier.
The decision doesn't end submetering, but puts middleman companies under state oversight for the first time.
That legal loophole that they've been taking advantage of for years is now closed.
AEP Ohio praised the ruling, saying it could help strengthen consumer protections and lower costs. Nationwide Energy Partners says it disagrees with the decision, but adds it will work with state regulators moving forward. Now, the Public Utilities Commission of Ohio will set new rules and rates.
Any opportunity to lower the bills if it's inappropriately elevated, I'm totally behind, clearly, for myself and my neighbors.
Now, the changes mandated today will take time to reach renters, as the PUCO will have to set new regulations for submetering companies. But the commission telling me in a statement today it respects the court's decision and looks forward to following the order on remand. Reporting live outside the Ohio Supreme Court, Libby Cathy, 10 TV News.